Summer's Eve Freshening Spray Tropical Rain 2 by Summer's Eve is one of the best sellers among baby powders products. 5 fresh benefits in one freshening spray: neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, won't disrupt natural pH, talc-free, clinically tested safe scents. Gynecologist tested, hypoallergenic, and formulated with vitamin E for smooth-feeling skin. Available in 5 fragrances: Tropical Rain, All-in Splash, Baby Powder, Ultra, and Tahitian Sunset. Summer's Eve Freshening Spray meets the manufacturer's safe scents quality standards that ensure that the fragrances you love are gentle enough for your most delicate skin. Spray some on in the morning for a fresh start, or carry a can with you for a little PM pick-me-up. Pack of 6, 2 ounces each, total of 12 ounces. Feminine Tropical Rain Deodorant Spray by Summer's Eve for Women 2-ounce spray. It is recommended for any time wear Summer's Eve Freshening Spray for sensitive skin, neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, won't disrupt natural pH, talc-free, Tropical Rain Scent 2-ounce, pack of 6, at home or on the go, feel fresh and clean every day. Controls odor. Gynecologist tested. Hypoallergenic. Safe and gentle.